Okay guys, it's going to be a quick one on how to remove your radio and your climate control module here. If you don't have your radio bezel removed already, check out my other videos. I have a video on that. So let's get started. If you have an automatic, you'll need to take it out of park and put it all the way back. Excuse me. So the radio will have four 7mm bolts, 2 on each side. Once you get those out, just go ahead and come to the climate control module, and you'll have to take out the 7mm that they have on both sides. There's 1 on each side. You need to take this out first because there's a tab that goes over the actual radio, and if you try to take out the radio, those will break. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those out real quick. Alright, so I got those out now. Once you get them out, just pull it forward. There's 2 little pins where those tabs were, and it just holds it in place. So once you pull it forward, then you'll have 3 different wires you have to disconnect here. Come to the passenger side, and this tab here, just press it down and pull it back, wiggle it out, and that comes out here. The second one, do the same thing, so wiggle it out. And this one, I'll need to get a small flathead and lift that tab there to take this one out, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so after you get that out, go ahead and slide your radio out. This is the aftermarket radio, and there wasn't anything plugged in besides this antenna cable, so it's going to be different for you guys. I'll show you guys the cables here. The antenna cable, all you got to do is just wiggle it out. That one's not so bad. Here it is. All you have to do is just pull it straight back, and it comes out. This is one of the radio pigtails here. Same thing, just press this tab down and pull it back. It should come out. And there's also another one here, and the same thing, just press down this tab here. There's one on the bottom also, it gives you a little more leverage. So you press those down and you pull it out, and that's it for that. Your radio and your climate control module is out. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching.